Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study Economics Class 12 HSC. First, thoroughly review your entire syllabus to understand all the topics you need to cover. Identify the key areas and their weightage in the exam, which helps you allocate your study time effectively. Prioritize topics based on their importance and your personal understanding, ensuring you dedicate more effort to challenging concepts. This foundational step is crucial for building a solid study plan. Next, adopt smart study methods. Create detailed notes, paying close attention to definitions, economic theories, and essential diagrams. Regular practice of numerical problems is vital to master calculations and apply formulas correctly. Make sure to use past papers and sample questions frequently. This will familiarize you with the exam pattern and common question types, boosting your confidence significantly. To truly master economics, connect concepts to real-world examples. This makes abstract ideas much clearer and more memorable. Consider forming study groups to discuss complex topics with peers, which can help clarify doubts and offer new perspectives. Always seek feedback on your answers from teachers or mentors. This constructive criticism is invaluable for refining your analytical and essay writing skills, preparing you for higher marks. Finally, for exam preparation, develop a consistent revision schedule covering all major economic topics. Practice writing timed essays to improve your speed and structure, ensuring you can complete the paper efficiently. Remember, staying hydrated is key for optimal focus during long study sessions. Check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals to support your studies. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.